The oldest sibling. You are 6 when they hand you the baby. Your mother says you're a big helper now. Helper, that's what they call it. What it means is you're the third parent. You didn't apply for the position. You got it by being born first. Your curfew is 9 p.m. sharp until you're 16, no exceptions. Your homework gets checked every single night. Math problems circled in red pen when you make mistakes. Your room becomes the proving ground for every rule. No TV on school nights, no phone during dinner. Chores listed on the refrigerator with your name at the top. You complete them. You always complete them. Your siblings watch cartoons while you load the dishwasher. They go to bed at 9:30. You're already in your room doing tomorrow's reading assignment. By the time your youngest sibling turns 13, curfew is 10 p.m. Nobody checks their homework. The chore chart disappeared years ago. You notice this. You bury the resentment. What good would complaining do? Your parents call you responsible. What they mean is convenient. You babysit for free every Friday night. You drive your siblings to soccer practice, piano lessons, birthday parties they get invited to. You become the person they call when something goes wrong. The oldest is always available, always reliable, always setting the example. The middle child. You are 4 when you realize nobody's looking. Mom is feeding the baby. Dad is helping your older brother with science homework. You're coloring in the corner. Nobody asks to see your picture. You learn that independence isn't earned. It's forced on you. Your birthday parties get smaller each year, fewer guests, less elaborate themes. Your parents are tired by the time they get to you. School performances happen. You're in the chorus, back row. Your parents attend but arrive late. They leave early to get the baby home. You see your face in exactly 3 photos from that night. Your older sibling has an album. You have 3 photos. You stop expecting people to show up. You stop being disappointed when they don't. You become the peacekeeper instead. When your older brother fights with your little sister, you mediate. When your parents argue, you make yourself small, invisible. You learn to read the room, sense tension before it explodes, diffuse it with a joke, with humor, with whatever it takes to keep the peace. You're the shock absorber in the family, the buffer between competing needs. You develop your personality in the spaces between, not the responsible one, not the baby. Just there. People forget you're in family photos until someone counts heads. Oh right, 4 kids, not 3. You smile. You don't mention that this happens constantly. The youngest sibling. You are born into exhausted parents. They've been through this twice already. The strict rules that shaped your oldest sibling don't exist anymore. Curfew? Flexible. Homework? They assume you're doing it. Chores? If you feel like it. You learn early that charm opens every door. Wide eyes and a sweet smile get you everything, get you out of everything. Your siblings call you spoiled. They're not wrong. You break the vase in the living room. Your older sister gets blamed. She was supposed to be watching you. You don't correct this. You're 8 when you realize you can manipulate the system. Play siblings against each other. Tell mom that dad said yes. Tell dad that mom said yes. By the time they compare notes, you're already at the mall. Your older siblings fight your battles. Cover for you, make excuses when you mess up. You're protected by everyone, sometimes smothered. You never face consequences the way they did. Your parents are too tired, your siblings too conditioned to shield you. You learn that being the baby means being untouchable. You exploit this, expertly. The twins. You are born 3 minutes and 47 seconds apart. Those 3 minutes mean nothing to anyone else. You're treated as a package deal your entire childhood. The twins. Never Sarah and Emma. Never your individual names, just the twins. Your grandmother buys matching outfits until you're 13. Pink and purple versions of the same dress. You wear them even though you hate them. People smile and say how cute it is. Your birthday cake says, "Happy birthday, twins." Not both names, just twins. Christmas presents are always equal. Same value down to the dollar. Same type of gift. If one gets a bike, the other must too, even if you wanted a skateboard. Teachers compare you constantly. Your sister gets an A in math. Why did you get a B? She made the volleyball team. Why didn't you? Every achievement weighed against each other. Every failure highlighted by comparison. You try to be different. Different clothes, different friends, different extracurriculars. It doesn't matter. People still mix up your names. They don't apologize. They laugh like it's charming. You stop correcting them after a while. What's the point? You're the twins, not individuals. The twins. The truth. Your parents called it a family. They meant a hierarchy nobody voted on. Birth order determined everything. The oldest carried weight they never agreed to carry. The middle disappeared into the background. The youngest learned to manipulate protection. The twins split one identity between two people. Nobody chose their role. It was assigned at birth, based on nothing but timing, minutes, seconds, cosmic chance. Your siblings will remember each other. The responsibility you carried, the invisibility you endured, the manipulation you perfected, the comparison you survived, that's not written anywhere. That's not remembered. You survived the family structure, the unspoken hierarchy, the roles nobody chose but everyone enforced. The oldest stops parenting their siblings eventually. The middle stops disappearing. The youngest stops needing protection. The twins become individuals, but it takes decades. Years of therapy, distance, perspective. You made it through. You became someone beyond birth order, beyond the role assigned at birth. That's the victory. Quiet, personal, unremarkable to anyone else, but yours. You survived the system, and eventually you escaped it. Not by leaving, by growing beyond it, by becoming who you were before the roles got assigned. Just you, finally.